Hey guys, today we will discuss how to delete or uninstall ChatGPT from your computer. This process is really simple and easy, and for this I have two methods. The first one is, if you are using it in your computer browser, then head over to the official page. Once you get access to it, here you can see your account, which you use in your GPT. Now, in order to delete it from your browser, you have to sign out your account from the GPT. Click on it and log out your account. Another way is, if you install ChatGPT in your computer as an app, then open that. Here you can see I use ChatGPT in my computer as an app. Now for uninstalling it, click on the three dots, and here you can see the icon Uninstall ChatGPT. Click on it and hit uninstall. If you want to remove app data from Chrome, then click on this option and then hit uninstall. Then it will be uninstalled from your computer as an app. And for deleting it from your browser, sign out your account, and that's it.